Integrals of some particular functions, part 5. Integration of type px plus q whole dx divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. For example, let's take question number 1. Integration x plus 3 dx divided by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Now, let's write x plus 3 equal to m times d upon dx of 5 minus 4x minus x square plus n. X plus 3 equal to m times minus 4 minus 2x plus n, or x plus 3 equals minus 4m minus 2mx plus n. Now we compare the coefficients. So coefficient of x in RHS is minus 2m and here it is 1. So minus 2m equal to 1 from where? M equal to minus half. So we have got m equal to minus half. Now again we take constant terms. So here constant terms are minus 4m plus n in RHS, and in LHS it is 3. So we put the value of m as minus half. So minus 4 into minus half plus n equal to 3. Here 2 will cancel it twice. So n equal to 1. So we have got values of m and n. Now let's write the question in terms of m and n. So our question becomes integration m times means minus 1 time 1 by 2 times differentiation of this, that is minus 4 minus 2x plus n divided by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square times dx. We can write it separately like minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2x dx divided by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square plus integration dx divided by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Now it is equal to I1 plus I2. We will treat I1, I2 separately. So let's consider I1. So I1 is minus half integration minus 4 minus 2x dx divided by root of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Let's take 5 minus 4x minus x square equal to t. So that will give minus 4 minus 2x dx equal to dt. So our question will become minus 1 upon 2 dt upon t power half, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 integration t power minus half dt, and that will give minus 1 by 2 t power plus half divided by plus half. So we will get minus t power half because this 2 will cancel this 2. And we can put the value of t as 5 minus 4x minus x square. So we will get minus 5 minus 4x minus x square under root. So we have got I1. Now we have to consider I2. So we have I2 equal to dx divided by square root of, so I2 is integration dx divided by square root of 5 minus 4x minus x square. Now we try to complete the square. So integration dx divided by root of 5 minus within bracket 4x plus x square plus 4 minus 4. It will become integration dx divided by root of 5 minus. This will become x plus 2 whole square, and when this minus is multiplied to this minus 4, we get plus 4. This is equal to integration dx divided by root 9 minus x plus 2 whole square. Let x plus 2 equal to t or dx equal to dt. So our question becomes integration dt upon root of 3 square minus t square. And it is of the form integration dx upon root of a square minus x square, which gives sine inverse x upon a. So this will become sine inverse t upon 3 plus c, where t equal to x plus 2. And then we can write I equal to I1 plus I2. And that will be our answer. Now consider second question. Question number 2. Integration x plus 2 dx divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Now again, let's write x plus 2 equal to m times differentiation of x square plus 2x plus 3, that is 2x plus 2 plus n. So x plus 2 equal to 2mx plus 2m plus n. We compare the coefficients, 2m and coefficient of x is 1, so 2m equal to 1 from where m equal to half. Then 2m plus n equal to 2, then twice of 1 by 2 plus n equal to 2 from where n equal to 1. So we have got m equal to 1 by 2 and n equal to 1. Now, so we are going to write x plus 2 in terms of m and n. So 1 by 2 into derivative of this 2x plus 2 plus n, that's 1, divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. We write it separately. So 1 by 2, 2x plus 2 dx divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus integration dx divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Now, let's write it as I1 and I2, and then we do separately. So let's evaluate I1. So I1 will be equal to 1 by 2, and here it is 2x plus 2 dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 3 under root. Now we take this x square plus 2x plus 3, then its differentiation will be this. So we will get 1 by 2 integration dt upon t power half. That will be equal to 1 by 2 t power equal to minus half, then we integrate it, so plus half by plus half. So 2 will cancel out. We will get root t, where t equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3. That is root of x squared plus 2x plus 3. So this is I1. Now we are going to take I2. So here we have I2 equal to integration dx divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So we write it like dx root of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to integration dx divided by root of x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 square. Let x plus 1 equal to t, that will give dx equal to dt. So our question will become dt divided by root of t square plus root 2 square. And it is of the form integration dx upon root of x square plus a square, which is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So this will become, from here I'm writing here, so it will become log of t plus root of t square plus 2 plus c, and we put t equal to x plus 1, and then we write I1 plus I2. Consider question number 3. Integration 5x plus 3 dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So let's write 5x plus 3 equal to m times derivative of this, that is x square will become 2x and 4x will become 4. So 2x plus 4 plus n. So 5x plus 3 equals 2mx plus 4m plus n. So we compare. So 2m equal to 5 or m equal to 5 by 2. Then 4m plus n equal to 3, but m equal to 5 by 2. So 4 into 5 by 2 plus n equal to 3. So it will become 10. So n equal to minus 7. Now we have got m equal to 5 by 2, n equal to minus 7. So we write it further. Integration 5 by 2 times derivative of this, that is 2x plus 4 plus n, that is minus 7 whole dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. We write it separately. So 5 by 2 integration 2x plus 4 dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 integration dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now we will take them as I1 and I2. And we are going to evaluate I1 first. So, I1 equal to I by 2 integration 2x plus 4 dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 10 under root. If we take this equal to t, so we will get 2x plus 4 dx equal to dt. So this will become 5 by 2 integration dt upon t power half. That will be equal to 5 by 2. Then this will become t power minus half, and then we integrate. So minus half plus 1, that is plus a half divided by plus half. T power half divided by half. So 2 will cancel out, and 5t power half, that is 5 times root t, and t is this much, x square plus 4x plus 10. So we have got I1. Now we are going to evaluate I2. So we have I2 equal to minus 7 integration dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Let's write it as perfect square. So minus 7 integration dx divided by root of x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 6, which will become minus 7 integration dx divided by root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 whole square. Now let x plus 2 equal to t. So that will give dx equal to dt. So our question becomes minus, it's 7 left, minus 7 integration dt upon root of t square plus root 6 square, and it is of the form integration dx divided by root of x square plus b square, which gives log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So it will become minus 7 log t plus root of t square plus 6 plus c, where t equal to x plus 2. So we can write it here and then we simplify. Thank you for watching.